Hi, this is Joel with a little update on my road I've been working on putting in. It's no longer all DIY. I've gotten caught up in going into Escrow on another property as well as a couple of projects I'm doing. So I actually have one of my neighbors who's been coming over. I've been paying him to run my excavator a little bit and bulldozer, and we're still working on it. He's got years and years of experience. He's way better at running the equipment than I am. You can see things are looking a lot better. He suggested, run the dozer back over some of this hillside and smoothing it out, and I think that that looks a lot better. I'm happy with what he's done there. It looks really nice on down this way as well. And then the road itself is far smoother, much more passable. He actually has a grader, so I'm probably going to be paying him to bring his grader out and really getting it smooth and level. We're probably going to need to be bringing up quite a bit of crushed gravel for the road to improve on it as well. So that'll be one of the next steps. I actually just purchased a dump truck at a Ritchie Brothers auction. Has a pup trailer. That's only $18,000. Hopefully it works and runs, because that's about the cheapest price you'll ever see for a dump truck, especially one with a dump trailer or a pup trailer that tows behind it, so you have extra storage capacity. But on the farm here, we can use something like that after this project, and we're estimating at least 75 to 80 loads of gravel are going to have to come up here. So by the time you pay somebody else to do all that trucking, you basically are paying for another dump truck. So why not just buy your own, and if it runs well and you maintain it, you can sell it for the similar price when you're done with it, or keep it for farm use as I plan to do. So it should be pretty good. Now I'm up here at the ramp that I was building. And once again, my neighbor here kind of took this part over for me and has really done a nice job of cleaning it up. He widened the ramp greatly, so now you're probably at least 20 feet wide, a lot safer. It's all compact rock. It's much smoother and nicer. Really pleased with the work he did here and how it's looking. Looking great. Kind of cleared out some of that stuff there. Smooth angle up. A lot safer for driving on, and I should be able to bring up a well drilling rig pretty soon to drill the well, which I expect to hopefully be approved for us to begin work before too long. So yeah, it's coming along quite nicely. And then you can also see down back here, this all still needs to be worked on. We haven't had a chance to get to that yet. He kind of did that area back around the curve and around the corner. So we still got the entry, we got this patch, and then after the ramp, there's some work needs to be done to clean up. That should be a little bit quicker, hopefully. So yeah, it's moving along really well.